Brock got himself a bass on a night crawler.
Oh, you got some Sharpie.
Look at that guy. Heck yeah, man. A healthy looking fish.
Yeah. You have pliers on you?
You need pliers for that?
Never mind. Well, no, it's got bait keepers on it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a nice fish.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, man.
It's like my second bass ever.
Yeah?
Yeah, a good size.
Oh yeah, I was there for the first one.
Were you?
Yeah, it was over there in Liberty.
Yeah? I think I was there with Malia.
No, you weren't there with Malia.
Yeah?
That was when we were trout fishing.
Huh.
Anywho.
On a bobber is fucking even funnier though.
Yeah, he caught this on a bobber and a night crawler.